wag kang papayag na followers ka lang, likers na lang at
You know what? To other Asian people and foreigner, to the TikTok is all over the world about the alarm clock and nuclear bomb to explosion and disaster to the time of Christ in time of the earth. Are you ready for this destroy the world? You are not ready because you are not ready. You are not serving. Hindi ka naman ready, di ba? At hindi mo alam. And one day, kaya na version TikTok para paikutin tayo ng mga intelligent people na maubos ang ating panahon at mapunta tayo sa impyerno para pag, is very not unfair, para pag napunta sila, madadamay tayo lahat. Kaya kayo mga nagtitiktok, magtitiktok kayo, gamitin nyo sa tama for your equal the message to the world about the Christ serving, Christ words, hindi kung ano-ano kasi very simple thing about TikTok in your death penalty.